West Indies officers to Embark 771. We have a fleet of new ships joining Candina group, French second registered that we could be interested in employing West Indies junior officers. These wages of the junior officers are very competitive because there are Asian junior officers now on board. So we're talking about €3,300 for the third officer, second officer €3,800 or dollar approx. Therefore, it is really interesting because I'm sure there is plenty European crew that would like to fly and live in the West Indies. The quality of life in the Caribbean is much better than in Europe. The taxes are much better than in Europe, and perhaps there is some people, junior officers, that are interested in settling in the West Indies and having a career there. If that's one of you, please apply, because probably you will go up the ladder and promote the ranks of the ship. This is a Ro-Ro fleet, container fleet. We are going to expand in the West Indies and in the Caribbean and America. Why? Because we are already there. We already have the biggest database of the local crew around. So ship owners also think about contacting us because we have done this in Fiji, in Panama, in Peru, in Spain, in Europe, in East EU countries, also in Asia, Indonesia, India, Philippines, with our biggest database of seafarers. But we love to travel in our brains and have new areas to sail, like the West Indies, and generate intrinsic value, goodwill for ship owners, ESG, corporate social responsibility, and transparency. So for you, West Indies junior officer, apply urgently below the link, social media, because we are very interested, very fast to start working in these juniors. Probably will go up the ladder and different types of ships. This is a Ro-Ro, so please apply urgently now and think about if you are in Europe moving, because if you are interested, perhaps it's a huge opportunity that you have today. Many not realize how exciting it is to work in the crew management business or as merchant officer and rating. But if you like to travel and see new beautiful countries, and the best areas to live in this planet is the West Indies. So please apply urgently. Thank you. Bye.